Let me ask you a question. Have you ever thought, if I could just make another 20 grand a year, everything would just become easier? Or maybe if my business just made another 100,000? If I finally got that promotion? If I just paid off all the loans? Life will finally just feel comfortable. But here's something that surprised me. I have met people making 60,000 a year who sleep peacefully. And I have met people making 600,000 a year who constantly worry about money. So maybe, just maybe, money isn't the real problem. Maybe it's what happens after we make it. Today, we're going to talk about why making more money rarely resolves financial problems and what actually does. Welcome back to Banking for Legacy podcast. I'm your host, Nelson Pizarro. Our mission is simple: to help families and business owners create a greater financial control, build wealth, and leave a lasting legacy. This podcast is not about chasing quick money. It's about how money really works so you can make a decision that improves your life for generations. I have owned businesses, I have made payroll. I've had months where businesses were just incredible. I have also had months where things were much tighter. What I learned surprised me. The stressful months weren't always the months with the lowest income. Sometimes they're the months with the highest income. Why? Because more money often creates more spending. A nicer building, more subscriptions, bigger trucks, larger mortgage, more monthly payments. Without realizing it, our lifestyle grows as fast as our income. Here's something nobody teaches us. Income and wealth are not the same thing. Income is what comes in. Wealth is what stays. Control is what lets you sleep at night. You don't become financially strong because you earn more. You become financially strong because you become intentional with what you earn. Imagine somebody gives you $10,000 raise. Sounds exciting. But within 6 months, they upgrade that car, increase heating out, take out another monthly payment, maybe move into a bigger house. The race just completely disappears. Not because they weren't working hard, but because every new dollar immediately found a new expense. The paycheck got bigger, but your financial freedom stayed exactly the same. Business owners experience this so much. Revenue doubles, but so do expenses. More employees, more equipment, more software, more debt. Then one slow month, and suddenly everyone wonders where all the money went. More revenue didn't solve the problem. Building better systems would have. Think about a family that receives a tax refund. One family immediately just spends it. Another family gives every dollar a purpose. Some protects the family. Some builds opportunities. Some creates future income. Some, you just use it and go have fun with it. Same amount of money, completely different outcome. The difference isn't income, it's intention. In episode 47, we talked about giving every dollar a job. In episode 48, we talked about using money to create more time. Now, here's the next piece. Your income doesn't determine your future. Your decisions do. Every dollar that enters your life is asking one simple question. What do you want me to do? It can be protecting your family, reducing stress, create opportunities, build wealth, or just disappear without a plan. One of the biggest financial traps isn't earning too little. It's believing the next raise will fix everything. Because if your habits don't change, neither will your financial future. A bigger paycheck with the same habits usually creates bigger expenses, not a bigger freedom. At Banking for Legacy, we don't start by asking, how much do you make? We start by asking, what do you want your money to accomplish? Because purpose changes behavior. Behavior changes habits. Habits change financial outcomes. That's how real wealth is built. Not overnight, but intentionally. Ask yourself these 3 questions. 1, if I received $10,000 raise tomorrow, where would every dollar go? 2, would that money increase my freedom or increase my monthly expenses? 3. Am I building a lifestyle or building a legacy? Write down those answers. You may discover your biggest financial opportunity isn't making more money, it's managing your current money differently. Money doesn't solve financial problems. Better financial habits do. The goal isn't simply to make more money. The goal is to make your money work harder than you do. When every dollar has a purpose, when your money creates more time, when your decisions align with your values, that's when financial freedom begins. If today's episode challenged the way you think about money, share it with someone who's working hard but feels like they're never getting ahead. Again, subscribe on YouTube, Spotify, and leave a comment below. Here's a quick question. If your income doubled tomorrow, what will you do differently? Just write it down. If you're ready to create a financial strategy built around your goals, not just your income, visit bankingforlegacy.com and schedule your free banking strategy session. I'm Nelson Pizarro. Thank you for listening. And remember, create greater financial control, build wealth, and leave a lasting legacy. Thank you.